Hey Potters, I'm Clay, your Glaze It guide. Whether you're just starting out or you've got years of kiln cred, Glaze It keeps you organized, inspired, and connected. We heard your feedback and rolled out fresh updates. Let me show you what's new. First stop, the bottom navigation. You've now got four main tabs plus a big add button: Home, Idea Boards, Smart Shelf, and Profile. Everything you need is right under your thumb, so your creative flow never slows. On Home, you'll still find the good stuff: glaze layering combos, commercial glazes from popular brands, and community shared recipes. And now there's a materials section, a growing library of glaze making essentials like clays, feldspares, oxides, and more. Tap any material to see details and learn how it's used. Hunting for something specific? Search by name or filter by brand, color, firing temperature, or finish to see the best matches fast. Next up, idea boards. Think of this as your pinup wall in your pocket. Snap reference photos, capture to-dos, and jot quick notes. No more losing ideas in your camera roll. You can even build a draft glaze combo alongside your studio experiments and publish when you're ready. Your process, your pace, without losing precious notes. Now, Smart Shelf got smarter. It shows your glazes and materials in one place, aka your personalized inventory. Tap Run Smart Shelf, and Glaizit suggests possible layering combos from the glazes you own and recipe ideas from the materials on your shelf. It's like shopping your studio. Save money, spark ideas, and glaze with confidence. Over in Profile, you'll now see a complete snapshot of your pottery journey, your saved draft combinations, published combos, recipes, and community connections. Easily view your friends and followers and manage friend requests right here to stay inspired by fellow potters. Whenever creativity strikes, just tap the Add button to log a new idea board, glaze combination, or recipe. Now, with the new draft combos, you can capture your process as you go, from testing layers to firing results. Save your progress, refine your details, and when everything looks perfect, publish your draft into a final combination for everyone to explore. Blogs and forums have moved to the main menu. Just tap the three lines in the top right to read, post, or write. We've removed the Videos tab for now. Most of us are already swiping through Instagram and YouTube Shorts, so we're keeping Glaze It focused. You'll also find FAQs, how-to videos, and guides in the menu for quick help anytime. See that new icon next to notifications? That's me, Clay. I'm now available in Glaizit as your chatbot for pottery and Glaizit questions. I'm new and learning. If I mess up, tell me. That's your quick tour of what's new. Thanks for being part of the Glaizit community. We're building this together. If you spot a missing glaze or something that needs updating, reach us at support@glazit.com. Until next time, keep creating and keep exploring.